Precision matters.
Gaming elevated.
Silent power.
Ultimate control.
Today we explore the Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard. Let's hear what gamers think.
The hot-swappable switches let me customize my setup effortlessly.
I love how quiet it is. The sound dampening foam makes a huge difference.
The tri-mode connection is a game changer for multi-device use.
It fits perfectly on my desk, freeing up space for my snacks.
The Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 delivers precision, versatility, and a premium experience. Get yours today and upgrade your gaming setup.